Hey guys, so I'm going to do a little experiment for you. What I have on my hand here is a couple of cream eyeshadow, eye primer, and I'm going to show you. So basically what this experiment is about is I'm going to put on a pigment. You could, like eyeshadow is going to be probably the same thing. So today we're going to use MAC pigment in violet. And what this experiment is going to be is basically we're going to try to put the pigments over the different base to see how well it sticks and how it would affect the color of the pigment, like the color payoff. The reason that I chose the purple, like the violet pigment, is because I actually have a lot of purples, like I have a lot of purples and greens, and like a lot of my cream stuff is actually also in purples and greens, so that's why I picked this. So I'm going to tell you what's on my hands right now, and we'll go from there. So right here, it looks like I have nothing on here, but right here is actually Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then on top of that, you can see there's like a little peachy shimmer going on. That one is Ruben's Pink Pot. And then on top, you can see there's a little bit of sheen, but like not much color. That one is Bare Canvas Paint by MAC. And then on top of that is the MAC paint. You can see like the lilac color right here. It's MAC paint in Mauvism. This one is like a deeper purple. It's a cream eyeshadow. It's the metallic cream eye color in titanium from Laura Mercier. And these three are the shade stick from MAC. This one is the white one, which is called Overcast. The white one right here. This one is Royal Hue. And then finally, of course, we have the Sharp Skin. Okay, so Urban Decay Primer Potion, Ruben's Pink Pot, Bare Canvas, Mauvism, Titanium Metallic Cream Eyeshadow, Overcast MAC Shade Stick, Royal Hue MAC Shade Stick, and Sharp Skin Shade Stick. So first of all, I'm going to show you what the MAC violet pigment is going to look like on bare skin. So let me do that right now. So there it is. I don't know if you can see, it's just like a really light purple if you have no base whatsoever underneath it. And then I'm going to move on to I'm going to do a strip over each color for you. So the pigment is actually showing up very well over the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I have let all of these cream shadow dry before I put on the pigment, so that like I don't want like the pigment to stick more simply because it was still wet. So I've actually let all of these dry before I started working on them. And then here's the result. So this one is Urban Decay Primer Potion. This one is the Rubenesque Bare Canvas Mauvism. This is just on bare skin. Okay, you can see that the pigment payoff is not, like the color payoff is actually not as good. And then we have here the Titanium Laura Mercier Overcast Shade Stick, Royal Hue Shade Stick, and the Shark Skin Shade Stick. So I will hold this up next to the swatches. You can see that the color is most true to what is in the tub, with I would have to say over the Royal Hue Shade Stick. It's almost the same color, really. I hope you can see this. For the swatches that are done over like a light or like nude colors, or like a transparent primer, I have to say that the Rubenesque is actually like sort of affecting the color of the pigment. It's shining a little bit more yellow, and the bare canvas compared to the other, compared to the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the Rubenesque Paint Pot, and the Overcast, which is like a white base, the color payoff on the bare canvas is actually quite disappointing, as the colors are not showing up very well. It's just a little bit better than the swatch on the bare skin. If I were to do like a smoky eye with this violet pigment, I probably will go with either the Shark Skin or the Royal Hue, because it seems like the Shark Skin is actually adding an almost blue tint to the pigment. I found that very pretty, but the swatch over the Royal Hue Shade Stick seems to be the most true to the color. As expected, the swatches over the two purple cream eyeshadow, MAC Mauvism, and the Titanium Metallic Cream from Laura Mercier, they are showing up very purple. But I have to say that the one over the Royal Hue is actually the most true to life. For every day, if I'm not going for like a smoky eye, I probably would go with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. It seems to me that the color is sticking very well over the color, and it's not. The problem that I have with the bare canvas is it emphasizes whatever dryness I have around my eyes, and I never had that problem with the Urban Decay Primer Potion, so that's why I don't use the bare canvas a lot. But for every day, I would probably use the like for this violet pigment, I probably will use it over, say, like an Urban Decay Primer Potion or the MAC Paint and Mauvism, or just by itself. But if I were to do a smoky eye, probably over Royal Hue, like maybe even a combination of Royal Hue and Shark Skin. So here's another look at the swatches again. Quickly, Urban Decay Rubenesque Bare Canvas Mauvism MAC Paint. This is bare skin. Laura Mercier Titanium, Overcast MAC Shade Stick, Royal Hue Shade Stick, and Shark Skin Shade Stick. So there you go. Hope you have. I hope you find this sort of helpful or interesting. If you have any questions, comment, or if you want me to do another video like this, please let me know, and I will see what I can do. Thanks for watching. Bye.